Good to see you on your feet, General.
Well, we'll see how long that lasts. I brought you boys a present. The Naga artifact's been assembled. I hope to God it does what we think it does.
Damn straight. Betting our asses on some alien piece of crap don't sit right with me.
I hear you, Tychus. But if I was banking everything on that, I'd be quit already. Because here we are in the mouth of hell. And we made it this far by leaning on each other.
Whether it's blind luck or damn fool courage, in all my years, I've never seen anything like what you two jokers have pulled off.
That thing may be the key to stopping the Queen of Blades.
But it's our sweat and blood that'll make it happen.
After everything we've been through, past all the fire and fueling, the one thing I know is that we can count on each other to get the job done. Or die trying, if that's what it takes. Because some things are just worth fighting for. Final push. You ready for this?
That I am, partner. Hell, we're gonna be the guys that kill the Queen of Blades. Genuine heroes. Old man's might even give you a pardon.
Get one thing straight, Tychus. If Valerian's right, and this artifact can turn Kerrigan human again, I'm taking her away from this place. You hear what I'm saying?
I hear you, Jimmy. And I know you want to believe she can come back. But after all the misery she's caused, well, let's just say some folks don't deserve second chances.
I'll be the judge of that.
Spent a lot of time hunting down all them pieces. Now it's all together. This thing gives me the willies, something awful.
I know what you mean. When I look at it, it's like I can hear voices in my head. Sooner we're done with this thing, the better.
Agreed. Right now, this artifact is the most important weapon in the universe. And we're going to use it.
Yeah, I just wish the damn thing came with an instruction manual. For all we know, we could be upsetting the entire space-time continuum.
Easy, Tychus. This ain't science fiction.
All these years, Minsk made you out to be the devil himself. But I've seen you put it on the line for men who'd otherwise be hunting you down.
Your Emperor's the one should be brought to justice. All I ever wanted was for folks to live free.
Charging in the battle with a stranger. Taking enemy fire, holding the line shoulder to shoulder, that's the great equalizer of war. It's an honor to fight at your side.
I sure do appreciate that, General.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a sad day for us here at UNN. I regret to inform you that last night Donnie Vermillion had himself committed to the Dominion Mental Health Center here on Core Hall. While the nature of his abrupt mental breakdown remains unknown, we do know that he was clad only in his socks and rumored to be in possession of Emperor Mengsk's manifesto and a pound of peanut butter. We wish you all the best, Donnie, and hope for your speedy recovery. In the meantime, I'll be taking over as chief anchor here at UNN. For UNN, I'm Kate Lockwell. Woo! Yes! Woo!
It seems my faith in your abilities has been vindicated, Commander Raynor. Now the final blow must be struck. Use the artifact to neutralize the Queen of Blades and bring this bloodshed to an end.
The Engineer Corps is moving the Zelnaga artifact to the base of the primary hive cluster. We'll entrench the last of our defenses all around it. Unfortunately, it's going to take some time to charge up the device for a strike against the Queen of Blades. Intel provided by the Mobius Foundation suggests that the Zerg will be attracted by the artifact's pulse emanations. Once it's activated, all nearby Zerg will go into a frenzy trying to reach it.
There's no way we can beat a sustained Zerg attack with what we got left.
The artifact itself may help with that. According to Intel, it can discharge what they're calling an energy nova that should kill any Zerg within its radius.
Whoa.
It takes time to recharge after each use. Otherwise, this would be easy. You'll have to activate the energy nova manually. Fortunately, it pulses on a subsonic frequency, so we'll be immune to its effects.
Recharge or no, I'll take all the help we can get right now, General. Remember, Kerrigan's still out there waiting for us.
How could we forget?
You've brought me the Zelnaga artifact. It was good of you to save me the trouble of finding it for myself.
Warning. Large Zerg force incoming.
We're not ready for this many. We'll have to use the artifact.
An impressive defense. But not nearly impressive enough. My forces are without number, and yours are dwindling by the minute. This can only end one way.
Big job, huh? Go ahead. Ah! You scared me!
Commander, the Zerg will try to overrun us soon. You should build bunkers and train more units as soon as possible. If things get out of hand, use the energy nova to clear out your base. The recharge time is pretty fast, so don't hesitate to use it.
This better be good. Touching you. Who wants some?
Just say where.
Please state the name. Where does it...
Time's a wasting.
Standing by.
Go on.
SCV ready.
Add-on complete.
Move it! SCV ready. Will do. What's going on? Yeah. You're the boss. Bad news? Yo. In the rear with the gear. Huh?
Your forces are under attack. Base is under attack.
Say the word, baby.
SCV ready.
Your forces are under attack. Base is under attack.
SCV ready. Got a whole lot of love.
Base is under attack.
Roger.
The artifact's energy nova is fully recharged. Upgrade complete. Add-on complete. Upgrade base
Ready
is
to
under
blunder.
attack. Your forces are under attack. Base is under attack.
Bad news?
Gotcha. Who wants some? Move it! Fueled up, ready to go!
Your forces are under attack. Our SCVs
Add-on
are under
complete.
attack. Base is under attack. Your forces are under attack.
It's about to get
Your forces are under attack. Incoming transmission.
Heads up, sir. I'm detecting a large group of Zerg flyers heading straight for the artifact.
Insufficient Vespene gas.
Inbound. Oh, really?
Your forces are under attack. Base is under attack. Base is under attack.
I'll give it back. Ready to plunder.
Your forces are under attack. Base is under attack.
Yes, sir!
Go on.
Can't hold them alone.
Your forces are under attack. Base is under attack.
Jordan.
Base is under attack. Incoming transmission.
Lots of Zerg flyers on their way to you, sir.
Made for battle. Fighter flight. Third place.
Upgrade complete.
All right.
Your forces are under attack. Base is under attack.
Go ahead.
Upgrade complete. Upgrade complete. Additional supply.
Let's get into the fight. Made for battle.
Base. Alert. Class 12 psionic waveform detected. The Queen of Blades is inbound.
I'm tired of working through others. It's time I took a personal hand in your demise.
Ready to roll out.
You'll regret that.
We've driven her back. Keep it up.
Say the word.
Incoming transmission.
Lots of Zerg flyers on their way to you, sir.
Base is under attack. Base is under attack. Your forces are under attack. Base is under attack. Our SCVs are under attack.
No one lives forever. Yes, indeed.
In the rear with the gear.
Base is under attack.
Move it. Big job, huh?
Incoming transmission.
Another wave of Zerg flyers, sir.
What's our target? That's a negatory. It's blocked.
Let's get into the fight. All right.
Base is under attack.
Yep. I can't build here. I'm going.
Upgrade complete.
Better
Base
send
is
some
under
body
attack.
bags. Please state the nature.
Go ahead. Don't leave me hanging. Time's a wasting. Oh,
Sir, I'm picking up a mass of overlords heading your way. Ready your air defenses.
I'll give it my best shot.
Let's get into the fight.
Base is under attack. Base is under attack.
Inbound. Certainly.
Huh?
You ready for war?
Base is under attack.
SCV ready.
Class 12 psionic waveform detected. The Queen of Blades has returned.
Scour you all from my world.
Lay it on me. Roll it out.
Go on.
Kerrigan's gone underground. Pour it on, troops.
Incoming transmission.
Let's get into the...
Sir, we're tracking a large number of Zerg flyers coming your way.
All right.
Base is under attack. Base is under attack. Base is under attack.
Speak up. Lay it on.
Incoming transmission.
Hold him alone.
Sir, we're tracking a large number of Zerg flyers coming your way.
Certainly. Victory. No one lives forever. Yes, indeed. Hold. All right.
Upgrade. Base is under attack.
Yeah, whatever.
Yep. Can't hold him alone.
Time's a wasting. Sure thing. Go, go, go! Transformation systems primed.
Base is under attack. Upgrade complete.
Same way.
Upgrade complete.
What's going on? Overtime. Well, butter by a biscuit. Yep. Can't hold them alone.
Class 12 psionic waveform detected. The Queen of Blades has returned.
You fools should never have come here.
Got no patience sitting around.
Transformation system.
Our SCVs are under attack.
That's the negatory. It's blocked.
She's retreated again. Hold the line.
Depleted. Incoming transmission.
Agreed.
Sir, we're tracking a large number of Zerg flyers coming your way.
Squadron, you hailed? Transformation systems.
Our SCVs are under attack.
Yes,
Additional supply depots required. Base is under attack.
yes, indeed.
Base Our SCVs are under attack.
I'm in deep.
Made for battle.
Speak up.
Upgrade complete. Base is under attack.
Affirmative. What's our target?
Warning. Class 10 Zerg flyer detected.
Holy sh... Sir, scanners show the largest Zerg biosignature I've ever seen. And it's headed your way.
Upgrade complete.
Yes, indeed. Inbound.
Base is under attack. Our SCVs are under attack. Base is under attack.
I like it. Yes, indeed.
Ready to roll out.
Base is under attack. Base is under attack.
Another wave of Zerg flyers, sir.
Base is under attack. Base is under attack.
Inbound. Certainly. Victory.
Need something blown up?
You ready for war?
Mineral field depleted.
Certainly. Huh? It's your dime.
Class 12 psionic waveform detected. The Queen of Blades has returned.
You fools. You're playing with forces beyond your comprehension.
Fighter.
Base is under attack. Our SCVs are under attack.
forces on the run, man. Let's keep the pressure on.
We could use some help here. Can't hold them alone.
Base is under attack.
Inbound. Certainly. Yeah. Yo. Yeah.
Upgrade. Base is under attack. Upgrade complete.
No one lives forever.
Incoming transmission.
Lots of Zerg flyers on their way to you, sir.
Inbound. Agreed.
Upgrade complete. Base is under attack. Base is under attack.
Go. Yes, sir. I'm in deep.
Base is under attack. Depleted. Incoming transmission. Base is under
Another wave of Zerg flyers, sir.
Base is under attack.
Made for battle. Yes, indeed.
Our SCVs are under attack.
Armed and ready.
Mineral field depleted.
Keep your shirt on, Sparky.
The artifact's energy is peaking. Just hold out a little longer.
Is under attack. Incoming transmission.
Sir, we're tracking a large number of Zerg flyers coming your way.
Base is under attack.
Unacceptable.
Base is under attack.
Certainly.
Base is under attack. Class 12 psionic waveform detected. The Queen of Blades has returned.
This has gone on long enough.
Absolutely.
Base is under attack. Base is under attack.
You will pay for this treachery.
I hear Sarah.
She's losing it.
I'm on it. Transformation system. Let's get made for battle.
Base is under attack. Are under attack. Artifact power at full capacity.
It's now or never, General. Hit it!
Sarah.
You reading all this?
You have your orders, Mr. Findlay. Carry them out.
Titus, what have you done?
I made a deal with the devil, Jimmy. She dies. I go free.
We all got our choices to make.
Damn shame.
Jim?
It's okay. I got you.